Hi friends, I am Arun Giri. You are most welcome to our channel Technical Concept. So in today's video, we are going to see why these types of fittings are fitted on pressure gauge or in steam lines. Okay, so we are going to see the concept of fitting this. What is this? Okay, so keep watching this video up to last. And if you have not subscribed my channel till now, then please subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start our topic without wasting the time. The first of all, see what the topics we are going to see in this video are: what is gas siphon, where it is fitted, why it is fitted, and reason for fitting this gas siphon on pressure gauge. The first of all, we'll see what is gas siphon. So fitting these fittings, where you can see here, these types of fitting fitted on the steam line below the pressure gauge. These types of fittings are called as gas siphon. Okay, so in this video we are going to see in detail of in full about these fittings, why this is fitted, where it is fitted, and reason for fitting this. Okay, the first of all we'll say purpose and application, where why it is fitted and where it is fitted. This gas siphon is generally used to protect our pressure gauge from the effect of hot pressure media, that like steam. Okay, generally our steam has general purpose steam has a temperature of 140 to 150 degrees Celsius. When this hot steam comes in direct contact with this siphon, pressure gauge, then our pressure gauge will get damaged. Okay, its life will get reduced. So for protecting this type pressure gauge from hot temperature, we are fitting this gas siphon. Okay, this gas siphon. Okay, now we'll see how it is protected from high temperature in next slide. Then next, it does not allow to steam come in direct contact with pressure gauge and protect from pressure gauge. Okay, the same time. And then also it protects this gas siphon protect our pressure gauge from the pressure shocks. When sudden pressure changes occurs in the line or steam line or any pressurized water line, then this gas siphon protect our pressure gauge from sudden pressure change or pressure shocks. Okay, so these are the two reasons for that we are fitting this gas siphon. Okay, now we'll see how this gas siphon protect uh, our pressure gauge from high temperature. This is a U-type pressure gauge, you can see here. When we are fitting this gas siphon on steam line, then what happens? Our steam gets condensed and water gets filled up to this portion, or this portion will always filled with water. Okay, and this portion above this, from here to here, from here to here, this portion filled with air, you can see here. This portion is the air and this water. Okay, so when our hot steam comes, then this hot steam comes from here, this push this water. Okay, this water goes up and this water compresses this air. Okay, so our this portion filled with compressed air, then water, and then steam. So in this way our steam is not coming in direct contact with this pressure gauge. Okay, so our pressure gauge, this pressure gauge is not exposed to direct steam of 140 to 150 degrees Celsius. Okay, so in this way this our gas siphon protect our pressure gauge from exposing high temperature steam or any high temperature media. Similarly, in this spiral type also, this portion filled with water, condensed water. Okay, and above this portion from here to here filled with air. Okay, this portion filled with air. Okay, and this portion, this spiral portion filled with water. So when hot steam comes, this pulls this water up and compresses the air above it. Okay, so our this portion filled with compressed air, then this portion water, and then below this our steam is coming. So okay, so in this way also there is a two layer of protection, here water then air. At on the topmost position near a pressure gauge, it is filled with compressed air, then below this there is a water, and then our steam is there. So in this way here also our pressure gauge protected from the exposure of direct heat of steam. So this is the purpose of fitting this gas siphon on steam lines or any hot media. Okay, so this is all about the today's video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please press like button, subscribe the channel, and if you have any query, then please comment in the comment box. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.